Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I request to all of you please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is formation of joint stock company. Forming a joint stock company involves several key steps which can vary slightly depending on the jurisdiction. Here is a general overview of the process. Number one is conceptualization and planning. Business idea. Clearly define the business idea or objective of the company. Market research. Conduct research to understand the market, competition and feasibility of your business idea. Number second is drafting the articles of association. Articles of association prepare a document outlining the company's structure, including its purpose, share structure, and governance. This document is crucial as it sets the rules for the company's operations and management. Number third is incorporation documents. Memorandum of association prepares this document to state the company's name, its registered office, the objectives and the initial share capital. Directors and shareholders decide on the initial directors and shareholders and determine that their roles and responsibilities. Number fourth is registration, company name. Choose and reserve a unique name for the company. Filing, submit the required incorporation documents, article of association, memorandum of association and other forms to the relevant governmental authorities such as the company's house in the UK or secretary of the state in the US. Share capital, issue share to the initial shareholders based on the agreed share structure. This involves deciding on the number of shares, their value and the price at which they are issued. Number 6 is company registration. Legal requirements: obtain any necessary license or permits based on the type of business and jurisdiction. Tax registration: register for taxes, including obtaining a tax identification number or employer identification number if required. Operational setup: bank accounts. Open a bank account is the company's name. Accounting records: set up a system for maintaining financial records and accounts. Number 8 is compliance and reporting. Corporate governance: establish a system for meetings and reporting, including the preparation of annual reports and compliance with local regulations. Annual filings ensure timely filing of annual returns and financial statements. Number 9 is public offering if applicable. Initial public offering: if the company plans to raise capital by selling shares to the public. Prepare for and execute an IPO. This involves extensive legal, financial, and regulatory preparations. Key consideration: legal advice. Seek legal counsel to ensure all documents are correctly prepared and compliance with local regulations is maintained. Accounting advice: consult with an accountant to manage financial records and tax obligations. The specific requirements and procedures can vary based on the jurisdiction, so it's important to consult local regulations or seek professional advice tailored to your location and situation. So guys, in this video we have discussed about formation of joint stock company. Like if we want formation of joint stock company, then we have to follow these steps like conceptualization and planning, drafting the articles of association, incorporation documents, registration, share capital, company registration, operational setup, compliance and reporting, public offering if applicable. So guys, this is the end of our topic. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start. So goodbye.